Hello and welcome. My name is John Keir. I'm chairman of Keir Educational Resources.
And I'm Henrietta Nye. I'm president of Keir Educational Resources, and we are distributors of study materials for insurance professionals, securities dealers, and financial planners.
Our company began in 1968, so we're having our 40th anniversary this year. I'd like to just tell you a little bit about our history because we've been writing and publishing books now for 40 years and helping students to pass their tests. Our company actually began in the basement of our house. Our father was operating the company by himself with really one secretary, and he had us doing a lot of the work with proofing and editing and running things to the post office to mail them out. One of the interesting stories I remember is one summer when I was helping my father with proofreading. He asked me to take the copy that was going to go to the publisher, which was, of course, the one that would be photographed and needed to be perfect. He couldn't have any marks on it. So I sat at the picnic table with my copy right in front of me, and he took his copy and started to read to me. So as he's reading, I'm supposed to check and tell him whether there's something wrong on the page or not. Well, as I'm sitting there in the summertime and we're outside at the picnic table, I got to thinking I'd have a little fun with my father, and so I sat there and I said, "Ah, that darn fly." My father ran over and looked at the page and was saying, "You stupid boy, what did you do?" So that was one of the fun things that we did around the company when we were getting started.
Yeah, if the fly or bug had been a tarantula and tried to eat you, he wouldn't have cared as long as there wasn't a spot on the paper.
Well, since then we've moved on to different kinds of publishing and printing. We now have a website. Our website is keirsuccess.com, and we have an 800 number. It's 800-795-5347. That spells out Keir, by the way, K-E-I-R. And so we have moved into the new technology age.
We've, over the years, had a great variety of materials. When our father started the business, the first program was for the CLU exam, the Chartered Life Underwriter. And from that he expanded to the CPCU line, and then later into the CFP, and when the ChFC was introduced, he added that. Today we also offer lots of programs for the FINRA securities exams, and most recently our CFA line. I think it's been kind of interesting, John, over the years how we have changed. The people who were ordering in 1968 may recall just our plain black and white books, and then as we started going out to conventions we offered something with a little bit more color. I think these are from the early 1991-92 materials, and then the first convention look, so that we could have a pretty display. And today we have changed it a little bit.
We've really upgraded, haven't we, to these new books with these new colors and new designs.
Yeah, very new, lots of new things besides just publishing books, having online materials, question banks, and lots of online classes and reviews, along with the live classes, which we were not doing in 1968 with just the CLU program.
I should mention that our mission is to be a recognized and respected professional education company, and our priority is to provide superior study media for our clients. And I would like to also mention some of the advantages of using our materials and what we offer. One of the things that we're most proud of is our high pass rates. In fact, as we go around the country and visit with companies and go to conventions and talk with students, one of the most often things that we hear from our students is that Keir got me through, and that's become our motto, and we've put it on our books. I don't know if you can see it on our book here, but it is on the cover.
We do have it on our display.
And it's on our display, yes. Keir got me through, and that's because we have helped so many students to get through their exams. Also, I should mention how much time we save our students who are studying with our materials. We do try to write them to make them efficient and effective so that students will pass their exams in the most efficient way to save them as much time, because we know that everybody has a busy schedule these days, and so we try to help them study as effectively and efficiently as possible.
Other advantages that we have are the Keir Cares program, where we help the students to set up their study schedules and helping managers with reports as to how the students are doing. And this fits very well with our values. We value customer service, the highest level of customer service possible. And we also value knowledge. We have very knowledgeable editors, writers, and instructors, which produces very, very high quality products. And those are very important to us. We're very proud of our heritage and our number of years in business and the products that we now are able to provide our students. And we do hope that they'll look for us on the web. We're glad that you're watching today, but hope you will come out to our website, as John said, www.keirsuccess.com.